Hey guys, Amir here from Boyki USA. Today we have a 1991 Subaru Sambar Minitruck. I'll show you how the truck is. We'll go over it and then I'll start it and we'll see how the truck idles and everything. Starting off with the roof. Looks pretty clean. Glass is all good. There's a little scratch here on the door. No rust underneath. Some dings and scratches. This latch is missing here, which is inside the glove box, and absolutely no rust underneath. Clean panels, clean body parts, doors, and let's check it out on the inside. That's the driver's door. The driver's seat is torn here, and on the recliner part it's all covered up with some tape. Headliner is clean. Clean truck. Passenger seat is pretty good. Odometer 60,872 kilometers. It's about 40,000 miles. Let me start it up, show you how it sounds. That's the 5-speed shift knob. That's your 4x4. And this is the heater will only flow in the defrost, not in the front. That's just the way they designed these mini trucks. So just this parts would have the heat, and these parts would have the cold. So this is how the truck looks. That's the curtain. We have a rail of curtains here. This thing here. Your bed light, the LEDs. The engine is right in this box here. Another clean truck. Clutch is good. Brakes are excellent. Takes off. It's quiet inside because the engine is way back in the cab. And trying to. So it's a push button 4-wheel drive right here. As you push it, you get that 4-wheel drive. And then as you put it into extra low gear, it automatically goes into 4-wheel drive. That's how the 4-wheel drive works in these. 5-speed plus the extra low. Brakes are good. And the curtain in the door. This is how the truck looks. Drives excellent. It's for sale. It's on our website, boykiusa.com.